Rainy and damp weather continues today across the Carolinas. It's certainly damp out there. It's almost like a tropical storm with this coastal low coming inland. We've got the wind and we've got the rain, and it's even a little bit cooler out there. We're expecting cooler weather to continue in our forecast later on this weekend and going into the weekend. Right now, it's about 8 o'clock on your Saturday morning. We've got batches of rain all across the low country and all up and down the eastern part of the Carolinas. This lime green color for the coast is a coastal flood advisory. We still have a danger of high tides for this afternoon. Say around 12 o'clock is when the high tide in Charleston Harbor is going to be right at about 7.5 feet. So we're still expecting coastal flooding this afternoon. And then here in the tan shading is a lake wind advisory, which goes into effect for the Midlands, the Sandhills, and also Berkeley County in the low country. So going throughout the day today, we're going to notice rain chances increase for the low country and decrease for places in the upstate and in the Midlands. However, those locations certainly do have the possibility to see off and on rain showers today, with temperatures mainly staying the same, hovering around 70 degrees, and the winds are going to remain out of the north at around 16 miles per hour, gusting at times to 25 miles per hour. And we're definitely going to see stronger wind gusts tomorrow. But right now, though, tomorrow heavy rain is going to continue as the coastal low moves inland, and we're going to see heavy rain at times. Not really looking at a chance of flooding, and the coastal king tide is going to go down, but do know that places all over the Carolinas could have the chance of seeing some heavy downpours later on tomorrow afternoon. And most locations are going to be seeing at least a half inch of rain, and those areas closer to the coast could be seeing upwards of 3 to 5 inches of rain by the time this is all said and done by Sunday afternoon. And the wind gusts on Sunday afternoon, by the way, and Sunday morning are going to be on the order of 20 to 30, at times 40 miles per hour, especially along the coast. So around Florence and Charleston and Myrtle Beach are areas where we could be seeing the wind gusts go upwards of 40 miles per hour. It's going to get cooler after this, though. Look at tonight. Temperatures are going to be in the low 60s for many of us, upper 50s for others, and places up in the Appalachian Mountains and the Blue Ridge Mountains could be seeing temperatures as low as the mid-40s, but otherwise, many of us are going to be seeing temperatures in the low 60s. So tomorrow is going to be our last day of rain, and then nice weather moves in for next week. It's going to be sunny for Monday and Tuesday, and temperatures are going to be up on the rise to around 81. And then towards the middle of next week, we're looking at lower 80s and upper 70s for high temperatures, and it's just sunshine over the next week. And then Saturday comes our next chance of even seeing any cloud cover. So we've dealt with the rain, we've dealt with the wind, and we've earned this stretch of nice weather going into next week with cooler temperatures too. Notice the wide spread in high versus low temperatures. That's all because we have dry weather in place causing that wide spread in temperatures. Mornings are going to be in the low 50s for many of us, and afternoons are going to be in the upper 70s to low 80s. So nice weather for the middle of October.